how to create a project on Visual Studio. Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be teaching you how you could create your own projects. So over here in my Visual Studio, simply select Explorer over here on the left side or press Ctrl+Shift+E. Over here, these are the different projects that are currently in my folders. All of these are projects like VS Code, Assets, Codes, Fun, Java, and Tutorial. And to be able to create a new project, simply click on this new folder icon over here. Beside the project, there's a new file and a new folder. So simply click on the new folder and simply name it whatever you want. So let's say project V1. And now we have a project V1 over here. Now anything we put inside will be inside that specific project. So let's see here, hello. And now there's a project hello inside this. So if we create a new file in this, hello.html, there will be a HTML file inside our project over here. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.